Good night, everyone. So for tonight's dinner, we're having rice with Ox&Palm and veggie stir fry. So the ingredients we need are 1 whole onion, 1 whole carrot, quarter of a cabbage, 1 head of a broccoli, and peas, fresh. So our ingredients have already been cut up. We have sliced onions, sliced carrot, and sliced cabbage. For the broccoli, we've cut them up into small trays like this. And the peas have already been boiled. First step, heat your oil over medium heat. Once that heats up, add your onion, carrot, and cabbage. Stir for at least 20 seconds until your onion and cabbage are translucent and the carrot is soft. Once that is all done, add a little water and let it simmer for a little while. While that's simmering, I've opened a small Ox&Palm tin into this little bowl. And now we will add the Ox&Palm into the pot. Once that's done, we'll add our broccoli now. Once you see that the broccoli is soft, you add 1 Maggi chicken stock cube. Then you add your peas. Let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes and then it's ready to serve. And there you have it, our rice with Ox&Palm and veggie stir fry. Happy eating and good night.